A solid debut for CBS Outdoor Americas. That's the Billboard giant spun off from broadcaster CBS. It began trading for the first time today. Shares moved higher right out of the blocks, surging more than 5% for the session as a whole. Morgan Brennan now on why this so-called old media form of advertising is now attracting a lot of new money.
Ever wonder who's responsible for those billboards on the highway? They're called out-of-home media companies. They own and operate billboards, airport signs, subway and bus station posters, even those neon displays you see in Times Square. They're considered old media companies, and today, one of the industry's biggest debuted on the stock exchange. Called CBS Outdoor Americas, the new company was spun off by its namesake, CBS Corporation. The broadcast giant spinning off its outdoor advertising business to focus more heavily on content.
The idea of splitting off the outdoor division, it was a positive for the outdoor group plus a positive for CBS because it gives us more cash and it gives us more ability to continue to expand in the content business.
But CBS Outdoor has amassed quite the display empire. The company counts 330,000 displays across the U.S. and another 26,200 in Canada and Latin America. And those numbers are likely to grow. For the industry, spending on outdoor ads grew more than 4% last year. That's why analysts say it's a good time for this so-called old media stock to go public.
The outdoor economy's picked up a little bit, and so you've got a positive move in the stock price. But CBS is not going to stay in the outdoor business. They're still an investor, but their core business remains entertainment.
So far, investors seem to agree. CBS Outdoor stock surging 5% in its first day of trading. A big difference between this tried and true business and the so-called new media companies that have been garnering most of the attention on Wall Street. Compare that to King Digital, the maker of popular mobile game Candy Crush Saga. When that company went public just earlier this week, it dropped 15% on its first day. But for the industry's recent growth, advertisers still only spend about 5% of their ad budgets outside. And with a growing popularity of platforms like mobile, it's only going to become more challenging to attract those ad dollars. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan on the Sunset Strip in West Hollywood.